Hello and welcome to today's video where we will be discussing the Chemical Guys car cleaning kit. If you're a car enthusiast or someone who loves to keep their car clean, then you've probably heard of Chemical Guys. They are a popular brand in the car detailing industry and have gained a lot of popularity over the years. In this video, we will be taking a closer look at their car cleaning kit and comparing it to other similar products on the market. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. The kit is a complete set of products that are designed to clean, protect, and maintain your car. It includes everything from shampoo to wax, a tire shine, and even a microfiber towel. The kit is designed to make car cleaning easy and convenient, as all the products you need are included in one package. Key features. Now let's take a closer look at the key features of the Chemical Guys car cleaning kit. Firstly, the kit includes 14 different products, which means you have everything you need to clean and maintain your car. Secondly, all the products are formulated to be safe on all types of surfaces, including paint, wheels, and glass. Thirdly, the kit includes a microfiber towel, which is an essential tool for detailing your car. Finally, all the products are made with high-quality ingredients and are designed to give your car a professional-level clean. Pros and cons of the Chemical Guys car cleaning kit. Now let's take a closer look at the pros and cons of the Chemical Guys car cleaning kit. One major advantage of the kit is that it includes everything you need to clean and maintain your car. This makes it a convenient and cost-effective option for those who want to keep their car looking its best. Another advantage of the kit is that all the products are formulated to be safe on all types of surfaces, which means you don't have to worry about damaging your car. One disadvantage of the kit is that it may not be suitable for those who are new to car detailing. The kit includes a lot of products, and it can be overwhelming for someone who is just starting out. Additionally, the kit is quite expensive compared to other similar products on the market. The Chemical Guys car cleaning kit is a great option for those who are serious about keeping their car clean and well maintained. The kit includes everything you need to get a professional level clean, and all the products are made with high-quality ingredients. However, if you're new to car detailing or on a tight budget, there may be other options that are more suitable for you. That's it for today's video on the Chemical Guys car cleaning kit. We hope you found this comparison helpful in making a decision on which car cleaning kit to purchase. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.